Okay, I think we are live.
Okay.
Check करें इस पे.
Mhm. Nope. It does. I don't see anything over here. Oh yeah, I do see live. Yes, yes. Yes. Wait, wait.
तेरी आवाज आ रही है उसमें?
Clear. It's all clear. Loud and clear.
फिर
But
से
I think
बोलिए.
let me adjust my mic. I think it's
नहीं, मैं कर सकता हूँ यहाँ से. तेरा तेरा ऑडियो कम कर सकता हूँ मैं इधर से.
uh,
ओ ये रहा.
थोड़ा कम कर दे.
39% पे रख रहा हूँ. हेलो. ओके. ओके. ओके.
पहले कितना था? 42 का मैं बोलूँगा.
पहले 59 था.
42 का 42. बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया.
अबे. अब बोल. अबे माइक क्यों बंद कर लिया अपना? एक आवाज नहीं आ रही तेरी.
आवाज आ रही है? All clear.
हाँ अब आ रही है.
Okay, let's go.
तेरे को मेरी स्क्रीन कहाँ दिख रही है तेरे को?
Stream पे दिख रही है. I can see it on your stream.
अबे फिर बहुत लैग करेगा वो जब मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ तो.
हम्म. तो फिर इधर नहीं दिखी स्क्रीन तेरी?
हम्म.
यहाँ नहीं दिखा सकता तू स्क्रीन? शेयर स्क्रीन विद अदर.
हम्म. देख.
यस.
और देख अब मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ उस पे वो आ रहा है थोड़ा भी लैग.
नहीं नहीं.
ये देख मैं हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ, ये लैग तो नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी?
नहीं नहीं.
ओके. आई थिंक guys we are back today and with a good setup this time.
यस. वीडियो ninja. Thanks. Mike
Okay.
said.
So, Gavinder, please start by creating the PR for our work that we did yesterday so that I
All
can.
right. Let me create the PR.
And you can share your screen as well in that thing so that I can pull it up over here.
Let me share. Window. Are you able to see my screen? Yeah, I think it's all good. Let me just.
1 second.
That's my terminal. All right. Here.
Oh, wait, I can. We can show our both of our screens at the same time in the stream as well.
Holy shit. That's crazy. Wait, what? Do. Okay, let's cloud. All right, yeah, let's go. So this was our. Okay, let me ask them to create a PR. What we have. It was optimizer agent and also. Related slash command.
What does a
All
looping agent does?
a looping agent runs continuously as like other agents that will stop once their task has been completed. Rather than that, a looping agent can act as a watcher, maybe where you can provide him with some critical information that hey, you need to keep an eye on this if our agents are doing their job properly or not, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's how the looping agents helps in a way, right? So that's how I would also use looping agent. So one of the place where I would try to use looping agent would be, let's say we are trying to create a multi-agent architecture, and there are some critical functionalities that we need to make sure are correct. So we define those as hard rules
Yeah.
and deploy it on as a looping agent, and then it.
Mm.
I'm gonna try Kimi 2.6. I'm gonna get Kimi code. Let me load it.
You're gonna run locally.
No, no, I'm not gonna run locally. Obviously, no. I'm just trying it
To do what?
to see how it's compared to Cloud Code. Kimi CLI.
It's free
Oh yeah, Kimi CLI is to China. I
from
think.
Chandni Chowk to China. Moonshot AI platform, open platform.
Yes.
Do you want me to? Yeah, let me post on X and invite people to view the live stream.
Sure,
You know,
for sure.
so that people can see our work on traction.
Bullshit. Okay. All right. Hi. No, we are not logged in. Kimi code. What is our problem? What is our problem? I think. Holy shit. I'm not able to log in for some reason. Let me try again. I think NSA is watching us. Why are these? For some reason, I'm not able to log into Q2 CLI. So bye.
Fuck me. This
Fuck him.
Chinese motherfuckers.
It's Korean, I think.
Oh, Cora. We only support one country, America,
Yeah,
the top dog.
that's how. Might is the right.
What's going on? I think your mic is not working anymore. Or did you mute yourself?
Yeah, we are committing. Don't worry. Yeah, I
Okay.
think I did mute turn myself out.
Okay, I've posted. Bro, why is my post not available? What? Reply to who? Bro, what are you doing? Yo,
Wow.
what are you doing, bro? Oh, what is this?
Cursor.
This is cursor?
I'm trying to see if cursor can spawn the agent that I created in Cloud Code.
I see.
Okay, I think do I need to upgrade my plan?
Okay, I'm taking the $200 plan.
Alright, dude, wait, don't take the $200 plan. First, take the $100 plan only. $200 is way too much. Way too much. If we need it, then you take it. But I think $100 plan is more than enough for now.
Okay, $100 plan is purchased.
I was just checking on Twitter, and somebody posted that the head researcher at Meta.
Jan Leokun, I know.
Yeah, yeah.
What
So
about him?
so he left, and he had started the AMI labs, and
I
he's
know, I
working.
know.
Yeah, and he's working on the robotics part, I think.
That bro, he was the one who has inspired me to do this. He's the one who's done the most research in one foundational models.
What happened? Did you take a look at the PR?
Oh wait, I didn't know that you were done with.
Yeah.
Okay. Add scrutinizer agent and slash scrutinize slash. Bro, why the fuck did you name it this?
Wait. So what are we gonna name it then?
Bro, we need to show the progress of the taxonomy that we discovered that we are trying to implement.
Wait, dude, I thought you said to me that we you post the school. Okay.
We don't want to name it. We use the scrutinizer agent, but we want to name the PR that
Update GPR to showcase
make the PR related to our taxonomy work the progress. And
taxonomy.
wait. I'll also send you the thing that you should add to the prompt.
Hmm.
Hmm. And I'm not able to see your.
Oh, my bad.
Um, for pushing the new findings above. Just give me the prompt for the. Okay, I'm sending it to you.
Okay.
I message check.
Checking. Copy that. Paste. And that's how you do software engineering. Just kidding.
Bro, my manager has told me that you should use 3 to 4 agents at one time with Cloud Code agent teams, which is like the best because after that, the agents start stepping on each other's toes and they start hallucinating.
Wait,
So
what? Wait, what? So at what point do they start hallucinating, and at what point do they start uh, tapping into each other?
after 4 or 5 agents.
After 4 or 5 agents? No, it depends. In Cloud Code, the thing is, if you don't provoke your agent, then it's not counterproductive. That is the thing. So if you say you're orchestrating
No,
or
but
no,
if we are working on something and we want all the agents to be involved, then I'm saying it is best to
oh,
use
oh, okay,
like if
yeah,
all of them are running in parallel.
oh, yeah. So wait. But if you want all of them to be involved, like on what? On trying to work on the same task or what?
Let's say suppose they need to refactor a code base
Yeah.
and some part like one agent is doing front end, one is not doing back end, one is doing database like ORM stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Then it is best to not exceed more than 4 agents or 5 agents.
Hmm. I see. I see.
Bro, it's creating a PR or what?
Dude, it's your prompt, not mine prompt. The better prompter you are, the better AI is gonna work.
Okay, don't speak for 2 minutes. Dude, did you just turn off your camera? I'm just looking at the design. Like I'm trying to create a design system for the cloud design so that we can start working on the website after merging the PRs. Bro, I didn't think it was gonna take so long to create just fucking PR, bro. What the fuck is he doing, man? 18 minutes just for PRs. Did you stopping? Abe, it took so long to just do this. Why did it modify this? Why is it modifying stuff? Why are you modifying? You were just supposed to create the PR. Nothing committed. And bro, we have not yet generated the thing that we have like we wanted to create like a PDF of the thing that we did yesterday. Okay, markdown, bro, like markdown. Just at least markdown. We didn't shut the fuck up, bro. Just get the intent. Bro, why is it taking so long today to just do this bullshit? PR1 open. Okay. Let me review. Yes. Okay, so in now PR2, for PR2, we are going to write a report in form of a peer review for the experiments that we have performed in totality and what findings we have discovered over there. Abe, bro, I'm telling you for the PR2. Like, no, I'm telling you, just write that whatever I'm telling you. One second. I'm saying for PR2, I don't see anything. Like you're not typing anything, bro. Okay. For PR2, we need to write a report in form of a markdown that encapsulates all the experiment that we performed for this taxonomy discovery, and then basically document all the findings and make it in form of a peer review. Very good. Very good. Bitch. Oh, I'll just merge this. Wait, I'll merge the scrutinizer agent as well before that PR. Okay, both of those are merged into main. Oh, the cloud subscription is only $88, not $100. Valid. Bro. Now writing the peer review markdown. Okay, now start thinking about some design decisions for the website so that we can start designing our design system in Cloud Design. Bro, you are mute if you're saying anything. I think we should take a look at some design, like some websites first and then decide. Yeah, yeah. But don't make any front end or back end, like usko bol, don't do any coding right now. Just give us an idea of what the website should look like, and also use the founder coach skill to in like to include all the sections that are necessary to attract advisors, insiders, and potential investors. Bro, you have not invoked the skill, you're just written the founder code skill. Just do like slash founder, bro. Like, why do you always. What text will it not pick up? Are you out of your mind? Founder skill, and then, bro, you didn't add founder at all. Bro, I've used it. What are you talking about? Necessary to attract sections that are necessary to attract advisors, potential customers, slash clients, and investors. So one. But okay, so this is gonna just design like the sections, but we need to also think about the aesthetic of the website. But it's gonna be like very mainstream, whatever it comes up with. All right. Okay, I think it has written the PR. Yeah. Hmm. So our main task was, can a zero shot frontier VLM recover a useful taxonomy of robot grasp failures from video keyframes alone? And if not, what taxonomy should replace the attempt? Zero shot fails, and the proposed replacement is 7 class phase cross mode taxonomy that unifies four pillar art schemes. The zero shot fail half of the finding is solid at n equal to 2057, experiment 1, shaky at n equal to 30, experiment 2 and 3, and consistent across all three. The proposed taxonomy half is weaker. The taxonomy is not novel. AHA beat us to it. The clustering that produced it is not inter-rater reliable, and the underlying description corpus is underpowered for quantitative claim. The most important self-correction the authors made: our taxonomy is not novel, is a distribution of its own. Summary of experiments under review. Experiment ceiling pro temporal density ablation open vocabulary corpus subagent descriptive only. Ah, Just Bro, I'm not able to understand what exactly F1 metric did it calculate. Like, what exactly is that F1? Let me. Harmonic meaning of precision and recall. Yes, I remember this. 2 into precision recall upon precision plus recall, unlike accuracy, it means about precision and recall are high. Bro, Why the fuck do you always? Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we need to do the math now. F1 score nuances, range of score closer to 1 is better, closer to 0 is worse. Okay, and what was our. Um, I think we had an accuracy of. um, hmm, Wait, I'll be back. I need to. Mika! Mika! All right. What do we got? Bro, it has fucked up. It has fucked up completely. We can you bro because it has completely uh missed the main idea that we are trying to do. We were trying to make a standardized infrastructure for robotics and like robots and autonomous machines that it should have had. Not omnivores, bro. Only, bro. The issue is, I think you ran it inside the. Hinge Copilot. Say, there are new levels to being single. Meet your AI assistant. It will go on dates for you and get dates for you. Exactly. Yes. For एक सेकंड पढ़ने दे ऊपर या फॉर एंटरप्राइज फिजिकल एआई डेटा अरे रुक जा भाई physical AI data coverage evaluation readiness and closed loop retraining not another synthetic data engine. Okay, we help warehouse inspection medical robotics teams decide what data to collect or generate next. Prove deployment readiness, govern retraining across real and synthetic pipeline. एक्शन हटा तेरा वो तेरा उस पे वो आ रहा है. Okay, yeah. Real and synthetic pipelines. The six modules, the actual product scope, task specification layer, coverage planner, what data is missing specifically, synthetic data orchestrator, eval plus sim tutorial gate. This is where pillar one taxonomy works lives. Closed loop retraining. This is where pillar one's label mapper eventually lives. Governance and registry. Pillar one's taxonomy work is an input to module 4 and 5, not the product itself. Holy shit, bro. Bro. इतनी जोर से बज रहा था भाई. Okay, pillar one's taxonomy work is an input to module 4 and 5, not the product itself. The website should describe the six module system with pillar one as evidence that the decision intelligence layer is real, not as a headline and NVIDIA compression frame from O2. Uh, scroll, bro, scroll. Task, data decision intelligence, generic data pipeline execution, generic evaluation dashboard, vertical compliance, safety workflow system. कर ले भाई तू बात 1 सेकंड म्यूट करके. हाँ हाँ रुक जा ऊपर पढ़ने दे मेरे को 1 सेकंड. Warehouse sorting. Current single pipeline outputs. Interactive. Scroll down. I think it needs a little work, bro. If you want, I can either. What? Uh, Not yet, but I think now it will because I have the max plan again. Max plan as well, so it might. Oh Lord, the secret. What is that? We are not sponsored yet, so we are not sponsored yet. But please, Liquid Ivy, please fund our startup. Please, Liquid Ivy, please. I think this is looking much better. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? 1 second. Leadership advice. Wait. I think no. It is correct. A coverage gap, eval readiness gates, closed loop retraining and governance, a system of record. that spans NVIDIA and non-NVIDIA tooling and makes decisions the pipeline can't itself. No, it is right, bro. It is right. Wedge. We start with a productized service for one vertical niche, warehouse sorting, surgical robotics, pharmacy dispensing, blah, 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 where the customer has the hardware, has failing rollouts, and need a policy model delivery loop. Then we platformize the repeated components into the skill store, downloadable policy models delivered via a no, it has messed up over here. I think it is reading some older documents because of yeah, because the API call shit is not right. And then wait, let me read the complete thing. The earned insight, yeah, go up. Yeah, the earned insight, the customer doesn't need another synthetic data pipeline. They need the decisions NVIDIA tool can't make. What data gap is blocking deployment? Whether this policy is safe to ship, how to close the loop when it fails in production. The layer is cross-vendor by nature and it's workflow product, not a model product. Yes, 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 that is exactly right. Not a synthetic data generation, that's Cosmos. Not a simulator, that's ISXM. Not an orchestration wrapper or NVIDIA tools. Not a general purpose annotation platform. Not enterprise ready. At launch, productize service first, platform second. Okay. I think the only issue is that API thing that it added. Like, we don't need that line. That line is wrong. We everything looks right. Just remove that one line and then wait. Let me see the site architecture. 6 flat pages, no blog at launch. Route any of three audience in 90 seconds. All platform. 6 module deep dive. The product scope. Customer plus advisors. Skill store. What's next? Skill as a service. Yeah, we don't need the skill store. We don't need the skill store at all right now. And don't send anything right now. Let me read the whole thing first. अरे ब्रो रुक जा भोसड़ी के मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Mm-hmm. Let me read the whole thing now. Bro, scroll up. Not that. Okay. Where was I reading? Yeah. So I want to see the table like little up. Yeah, that's it. Pillar one evidence, peer review, prior art, advisors. What's next? Skillers, service, dealers. Yeah, we don't need that. Market and media compression mode, roadmap, team. Three entry doors, pilot, advisor, investor. Okay, on that. For teams, for we blah blah blah. It is the second half of the business narrative and needs its own page pre-launch. Okay, go down. Shared component library. These components repeat across pages. Spec them once. Reuse. What does that mean? Platform. Second, shared component library. Okay, I'm looking at top nav, five links, platform. Okay, yeah. Left aligned word mark, right aligned nav, stick on scroll, collapse to hamburger under blah. I know. Yeah. Mhm. Primary CTA button, solid fill, sentence case verb plus noun request a pilot, not learn more. 44px target. Always paired with an explicit destination, no dead end. Discover button, secondary CDA button. Outline style, same sizing, reserved for evidence or dogs, bats. Bro, this is what I was telling you. It just generated like a very mainstream website. Yeah, but okay, wait. I am telling you what we should do first is let's just read this completely and then I'll tell you. Single start, one line caption, monospace, number used, okay. Zero shot, macro F1, Quen 7B, blah blah blah, verify experiments. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. I think we don't need that. NVIDIA ships the pipes and we ship the decision. We don't need that as well. Like, we don't need to justify the NVIDIA compression. Okay, scroll up. Yeah, first niches, warehouse, surgical bin picking. 400 failed sort attempts per week labeled on failures are human written and inconsistent. A coverage report on the failure modes the policy hasn't seen. A retraining queue prioritized by severity. A go no go eval gate on the next retrain. Perfect. Yeah, that is what I have in my mind. Like, that is what I'm imagining. Okay, go down. Yeah, has hallucinated or like added more information than necessary. Proof of, yeah, whatever. Proof of value evidence. We did the hard research work module 4 requires. Macro F1 topped out at 2.250. Minority class F1 was 0 across every run. We then ran an adversarial peer review on our own methodology. Yeah, we don't need to add proof of value right now because we don't have any proof right now. Hmm. Right now, just that. Hmm. I don't know. और ऊपर जा थोड़ा. Okay, yeah, proof of value. Block 6, block 6. We were below block 6. Technical integrity. अरे रुक जा. हाँ, same peer review honest block as V1. Highest leverage trust move on the site. See 2.7 component for the layout. Copy update slightly. Proven hypothesized. Falsified byproduct for severity buckets. Add online. This block exists because the peer review recommendation. Advisor CTA tell us what we are wrong. अरे रुक जा पढ़ने दे वो सही पॉइंट था. Block 8. Yeah. Headline advisors tell us where we are wrong. We are looking for 3 to 5 senior advisors from manipulation, policy, sim-to-real, and healthcare robotics or MLOps background. If you've co-authored on AHF, Phenonet, physical AI systems into regulated industry, we want to hear from you. Monthly meetings, modest equity. Your job is to find the next thing. The peer review is, yeah, we don't need that as well. Investor CTA. Mm. This place is even organized by the 6 modules from. Oh. Okay, go down now. Go to the prompt now. And over here, right, for seeking the advisors, just plan out what we are trying to do and what our direction is right now. Don't make it sound like we are trying to hire people or offer any equity as of right now. Don't make it, bro. You'll write typing make it. Don't make it. That's the key word. It's gonna completely ruin the output. And bro, you didn't add over here. Yeah, in the beginning you have for the block 8 advisors. Make that page such that we can show that to advisors for their guidance so that they can guide us in the right. make the page such that we can show it to the advisors and industry insiders. Arey, bro, just fucking type it, bro. Industry insiders and what was this? So that they can guide us to build in the right direction. Just plan out what we are trying to do. Okay, yeah. Don't make it sound like we are trying to hire people or offer any equity. We don't need to proof of value, right? What was proof of value? Okay, yeah. That other thing. Okay, you don't need to justify the NVIDIA compression. We don't need the skill store. We so change the above and say we are not creating the skill store right now. Remove any references for the same from the plan. You didn't ask it to regenerate the plan, bro. Okay. Yeah. Go down, go down. Wait. Not yet. Let me read the whole thing first. Mm. Can you scroll up so that I can read the whole thing first? Mm. What is that? What is number strip? But we don't want that right now. One second, like But we don't have any metrics to show right now, do we? But they are not worth anything. Bro, we are not trying to pass, we're not trying to submit a project. We are trying to build a startup. That's the thing. But yeah, wait. Block one hero headline is decision layer and system of record for enterprise physical AI data coverage, eval readiness, closed loop retraining, governance. See the platform. See the research. No CTA buttons, inline arrow links. This is direction document, not landing funnel. One static diagram of six modules. Slow data moving left to right. No abstract AI imagery. No stock robots. Number strip, three real numbers with captions linking to their on disk artifacts, unchanged from V2. What we are building at the product level, each card name, one definition, status tag, shipping in sprint on the roadmap, evidence link detailed in this doc. First niches, three use case cards identical to V2, warehouse sorting, surgical pharmacy, electronics, bin picking. Pulled from the first niche selection criteria in business overview MD. There are what we are starting with. These are what we are starting with. Okay, scroll down. What have you, why are your seven agents running right now? What book? Blitzscaling. Bro, what the hell? The fuck? Bro, but how will you use that in code? What would you use that in code, bro? That is all about. Okay, I see. Contact email, founders personal until something better exists. No, do. Okay, scroll down. Platform on the roadmap. Yeah, scroll down. Uh-huh. Unchanged structurally from V2, lead finding, native label, reliability in RoboFac. The more than 5 out of 50 mismatch table, zero shot evaluation. The page ends when the evidence ends. Okay, scroll down. But we are not doing that right now. The priority that it is saying, that is not our priority, bro. Scroll down. Yeah, see, priority one, two, three. in the current. Mhm. No. Three-month trajectory table, month milestone, awarded unlocks, pulled directly from O2 business proposals, what.md, the pillar one honest. Mm. Yeah, let's. Okay, let me focus 1 second. I think I'm losing my focus now. Uh, yeah, 1 second. No, I know I have the notes, but uh, okay. So the first priority would be to basically. Okay, I know what to do. I think we should. We are focusing on aggregating all the research. Just start typing. We'll refine the prompt later. Just start typing, or just turn on whisper flow. I'll start speaking. We are trying to aggregate all the research data that we can find right now and start implementing that into a standardized amalgamation, like creating a pipeline and then basically running some data sets to evaluate the validity of the data that has been generated and then subsequently being used to train those policy models and then draw some evaluation methodologies to create governance structure that those policy models are valid to be used for the robotics. Yeah, just yeah, that's it. We'll change that prompt a little bit. We are trying to aggregate all the research data that we can find right now and start implementing that into a standardized. And then, can you reference that? One second, I'll tell you what file to reference. Pillar. Reference the instructs underscore research MD inside the research docs directory. No, not it. It's one research policy. Array, dude, just yeah, research docs. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Research docs slash instructs research. Yeah, and then don't send it yet. Array, don't send it yet, bhai. Ruk ja. Um, before the reference of this file, just add that use this to show that we are using these research papers to answer those subsequent questions and aggregating all these research results into one pipeline as an infrastructure. That is the main priority right now. And okay, that is not the main priority. This is the overarching goal. Uh, in the beginning of the prompt, just write overarching goal. And then, ब्लिट्स स्केलिंग ब्रो इट इज अरे बहन के लौड़े वो बिजनेस की है स्केल भोसड़ी के रीच आउट क्या करेगा उससे कुछ भी बोलता है भोसड़ी के बहन लंड जो कुछ भी बना देता है और वो कुछ भी बोलेगा भाई वो बिजनेस की है भाई कि बिजनेस में क्या टेक्निक्स होती है कि तुम स्केल कैसे कर सकते हो और इधर उधर वो ऑफिस कैसे खोल सकते हो और क्या टेक्निक्स रहती है वो सब है भाई रुक जा एंड यार एक सेकंड ये जो अपना इंस्ट्रक्ट्स वाला डॉक्यूमेंट है रिसर्च का दैट इज लिटिल ओके oh wait remove that document and reference the patent roadmap.md remove that one yeah just remove this instructs research.md and use the patent roadmap.md patentroadmap.md. And right, no, it's not inside InstruX. No, it's inside policy model SAS. Yeah. No, not inside research docs. It's not inside research docs. It's outside. Yeah. Patent roadmap. Yeah. And wait. Don't send. Add that we are not trying to claim any patents. We are just trying to. We are just trying to find research done on these. What? Find available research to answer these questions, and the document can be a little misguiding. Hence, we have alerted you in advance. And wait. Uh, mm, so, and now the first priority is. um उसके नीचे लिख ये सब इसके नीचे लिखना. The first priority is, which is an ongoing research right now for us, to come up with a standardized robot failure taxonomy. We are making a little progress. वहां पे आगे ब्रैकेट में लिख दे whatever progress we have made, just serialize and mention over here. अरे ब्रैकेट में लिख उसके आगे, तो वो उसको पता रहेगा कि अपन उसको बोल रहे हैं. टैक्सोनॉमी के आगे ब्रैकेट में लिख whatever progress we have made till now. Yeah, serialize it in order to show on the website. And creating design system. Come on, Vire, come on. Mari Fuddi. Daddy Amadai. सैम ऑल्टमैन ने वैसे कोडेक्स महक तो दिया थोड़ा सा आज उसने उसकी न्यूज़ आई है yeah it has missed a very crucial security vulnerability and messed up the code. What? What a timing. What a timing. It's, the visionary. I just had a premonition, it was just, I just knew it. I use Claude Code for free for the longest time as possible. And the day I bought $100 plan, you know, without paying an extra penny. Design decision, direction, at its own page. All 28 not yet started question. Mm. Can you scroll up more? More. More. And I think we should spend some time today after designing like the design system and website. We should spend some time reading the research paper so that we actually gain some knowledge instead of only vibe coding. You know, we need to keep our brains active. What I feel is we are transitioning at a very good time to, you know. What changed? InstruX isn't a SaaS product pitch at all. That's research synthesis and pipeline building effort. The patent roadmap is research agenda 32 open questions across 5 pillars, not a patent filing. The site's job is to show which question we are on, which research we've aggregated. Yes, yes. And what progress we've made. We are not building this site yet. Below is the design spec, plus component system ideation. Oh, no, 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 wait. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, yeah, it's right. Right, 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 right. We are building a standardized pipeline that the physical AI community does not have data coverage, scenario generation, valuation, retraining, and governance. Each stage grounded in peer review research, either than rather than proprietary methods. Our work is to aggregate existing published methods, identify where research is thin, and produce a reproducible pipeline Each pillar of the pipeline is organized around a small set of open research questions. For each question, we cite the research we are using. The pipeline step, it feeds the data sets we've tested it on, and when we find a gap, the new experiments we've run to fill it. Where we are right now. Bro, this is perfect. This is what I was imagining. Like, this is exactly what I had in my imagination. Currently on pillar one, question one, how to construct standardized robot failure taxonomy from video plus telemetry. We have aggregated AHA, RoboFag, FinoNet, and iFailSense. We have run three zero-shot evaluations plus 50 trajectory description corpuses. We have published an internal peer review of our own methodology. The rest of the pipeline is structured but not yet executed. What InstruX is not. Yeah, scroll down. Site architecture, we 4 or 5 pages organized by the pipeline, not by audience. One page overview, what the pipeline. अरे रुक जा बस बड़े रे करना ऊपर. तू पढ़ता नहीं क्या बहन छोत एकदम. चल ले दो मागी चू. अरे हाँ बस. अरे साइट आर्किटेक्चर से पढ़ने दे मेरे को. Okay, one page overview. What the pipeline is, where we are, what's ongoing, the full research agenda. 32 open questions across 5 pillars, each with citation and status. Deep dive on pillar one. The current active research, all phase zero progress realized, what we're working on this month, what comes next, open questions, we'd welcome input on email, whatever. Okay. Pillar is single page listing or that like the section. अरे बट ये पिलर्स क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा है. हाँ बट ये 32 वो क्वेश्चंस दिखा रहा है बट वो नहीं दिखा रहा है. एक तो म्यूट हटा अपना भोसड़ी क्या बोल रहा है. पिलर अपने जो 4 5 पिलर हैं ये वो क्या बोलते हैं. कवरेज गैप एनालिसिस, सिनेरियो जनरेशन लॉजिक, वो सब क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा है ये. वी नीड टू. ओके चल हाँ चल वो अपन ऐसे अगले इटरेशन में लिख देंगे. पढ़ने दे पूरा वो. जा नीचे प्रॉम्प्ट में डाल दे अभी से ही वरना भूल जाएंगे. We need to show the high level pillars and then use them to subsequently show the research questions that we are trying to answer under the correct ones. Okay, let's go up. Oh, wait. This is a design system. Yeah, we can. Yeah, let's scroll down a little bit. Color, blah 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 blah. Okay, go down. 10 shared components. Okay, no, this is fine. Yeah, go down. Oh, wait, it has already. Okay, yes. Pillar 1, coverage gap analysis. Question 1, automated failure taxonomy. Yeah, yeah, scroll down, scroll down. And then I think this is how atomic unit of pillars. Yes, yes, one per research question. How do we automate operational research aggregated status? Okay. 32 of these on slash pillars grouped by pillar. Yes, yes, it is already understood what I was trying to say. It is right. It is absolutely right. One second. Okay. Research citation chip, inline component for single paper citation format, blah blah blah. Okay, go down. Vertical timeline. Used on pillar deep dive pages and each entry date experiment name, one line, blah blah blah. Okay, number strip card. Same as V3, three real numbers with caption plus artifact links, status tag. Okay, go down. Five states, shipping in progress, plan on hold, not yet started, more space inline, same component used across modules, questions, and timeline entries. Peer review style, severity tag, blocker, major, minor, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you can scroll down. ये क्या लिख रहा है यार? ये ऊपर जाना है एक बार. कॉन्टैक्ट ईमेल गिटहब का ऑर्ग आर्काइव स्ट्रिप. ये एएचए यहाँ पे ये सब क्या लिख रहा है? ये एएचए रोबोफैग ये सब क्यों डाल दिया है इसने? हाँ बट वो सिर्फ टैक्सोनॉमी के हैं, वो हेलुसिनेट किया है उसने, ये फालतू चीज है. रिमूव दिस फ्रॉम फोटो. अरे तू भड़वे अगर आ गया ना बेटा वो किसी दिन रोबोट के अंदर और उसने याद रखा, इस भड़वे ने बहुत गाली दी है इसने मेरे को, इसको बताऊंगा मैं एक दिन. बेटा ये जो अपन कर रहे हैं ना, अपन ने बना दिया और वो आ गया एक दिन तेरी गांड फाड़ने. आप भोसड़ी की गुद्दी पकड़ेगा तेरी ऐसे. साले बहुत गाली दे रहा था, पैंट के लंड बताऊं तेरे को. और जा नीचे, नीचे जाइए तो पढ़ लिया अपन ने सब. फुटर हाँ हो गया. ब्लॉक, फाइव पिलर्स, करंट फोकस, सीरियलाइज. ओके जा नीचे. ओके और नीचे जा. Physical AI community has produced strong individual pieces of the policy model training stack, AHA, blah blah blah. What is okay, okay, okay. Linear diagram, pillar one, two, three, yes. Yes. Yes, जा नीचे जा. Each row links, okay, block four, single direction card. We are on pillar one. Question one, standardized robot failure taxonomy. Yes. Block five serial number strip. Okay, जा नीचे और. Okay, जा नीचे और. ये फेलियर, हाँ ठीक है, सही है। Pillar 1 Q1 progress to date. Yes, 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 yes. This is the way we want to do it. और जा नीचे। और जा। Approach, yes. Class phase mode. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly. Very good. Not standard, रुक जा। It has not been validated against a second rater. Yes, जा नीचे जा। और सही लग रहा है सब कुछ। यस, और नीचे जा। अब प्रॉम्प्ट में जा। आई थिंक हो गया ना इतना ही, नहीं अच्छा डायरेक्शन भी है। Hero, what we are working on this month, what comes next? This sprint for direction cards phase on priority peer review. Each card priority blah 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 blah. Okay, okay. ओके, जा अब नीचे प्रॉम्प्ट में, मेरे को पता है क्या डालना है अब। Add one section for what pillar would use which NVIDIA stack based on our NVIDIA documentation. इतना डाल पहले, और भी रुक जा, अभी सेंड मत करना। और वो हटा दे, वो हटा दे, वो पिलर वाली चीज जो थी वो हटा दे ऊपर से, क्योंकि वो तो है, अपन ने देखी नहीं थी। उसको बोल एवरीथिंग लुक्स, चल तू वापस चालू कर, मैं बोलता हूँ पूरा शुरुआत से। Everything looks good. This is exactly the plan we were trying to come up with for our website design. Now we just need one more page which shows each pillar and what NVIDIA stack it is going to use for that part of the pipeline. And along with that, we also want one another section to show potential clients and customers in what industry we are trying to get started in, and how this technological pipeline is going to keep compounding as more and more robots and autonomous machines come into play in everyday life. अभी रुक जा, उसको सेंड मत करना, देखने देना पहले। अरे कट गया है ऊपर से थोड़ा सा, उसको लिख, यस दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द काइंड ऑफ प्लान वी वर। कॉमा डाल और बोल यस, कीप द डायरेक्शन पेज एज इज। तूने बीच में डाल दिया भाई. And keep the not yet started 28. नहीं रुक जा. वो क्या है उसके do we show all 28 not yet started question cards on pillars? For number 2, yes, keep it as is. For number 4, don't put any last updated stamp anywhere. और अब ये पूछ रहा है नंबर 3 में कि वो अबे क्या कर रहा है. अबे यार मोटे मादर चोद. ओ आ गया आ गया. Keep it as is. For number 1, रुक जा. For folding, the site is 4 pages. Landing already has a current focus block and an extra page for one sprint. Content feels thin. Authoritative monthly. For number 1, keep it as is. Keep the direction page. 1 second. अभी रुक जा. और क्या डालना था? The plan you were trying to come. ऊपर ऐड कर. This is exactly the plan. वो तूने हटा दिया ऊपर से. वो आगे से वो हटा दे द प्लान और फुल स्टॉप हटा दे. We were trying to come up with for our website design. Now we just need to add one more page which shows each pillar and what NVIDIA stack it is going to use for that part of the pipeline. Along with that, we also want one other section की जगह उसको one other page लिख. To show potential clients and customer in what industry we are trying to get started in and how the technological pipeline is going to keep compounding as more. How this infrastructure आगे वो technological की जगह like how this infrastructure is going to keep compounding as more and more as we start supporting compounding as के बाद लिखना keep compounding as we start supporting या start integrating with as we start integrating with. अबे कंपाउंडिंग के वहां कर्सर डाल के टाइप करना फटाफट क्या कर रहा है. ये बस बस कंपाउंडिंग कंपाउंडिंग कंपाउंडिंग. हाँ. क्या बोल रहा था मैं. starting in how this infrastructure is going to keep compounding as we start integrating integrating with more and more robots and अभी रुक जा मत भेजना and autonomous machines कॉमा डाल वो मशीन्स के आगे integrating with more robots and autonomous machines the platform will start becoming the infrastructure will start becoming more cross vendor नहीं ये थोड़ा गलत लग रहा है क्रॉस वेंडर the infrastructure will start becoming uh, more universally usable ऐसा कुछ लिख the infrastructure will start becoming more क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार नहीं accessible नहीं more universally अरे accessible नहीं यार acceptable होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं लाइक वो हर चीज हर रोबोट में वो स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड हो जाएगा ओह वो नहीं एक्सेसिबल गलत वर्ड है भोसड़ी के नहीं है वो एक्सेसिबल अरे नहीं एक्सेसिबल नहीं रुक इंटीग्रेटिंग विथ मोर एंड मोर रोबोट्स एंड ऑटोनमस मशीन the infrastructure is going to keep compounding as we start integrating with more and more robots and autonomous machines and our vision is to make it a standardized product in this industry ये रुक जा standardized layer layer for this industry layer for this industry रुक जा और the rest of the plan looks good अच्छा चल ठीक है this is exactly the plan we were trying to come up with and now we just need और नीचे एक डाल दे now finalize the plan और नंबर 3 के लिए क्या था अरे नहीं एक सेकंड और नंबर 3 के लिए वो भी इसमें वो भी डाल नंबर 1 पहले वो कीप द डायरेक्शन पेज के आगे 1 डाल 1 डॉट स्पेस डाल बीच में और वो कीप के आगे पहले भी स्पेस डाल और फॉर नंबर 3 for number 3 yes we need a standalone research index और वो फॉर नंबर 1 डाल भाई वो कीप तूने कीप के पहले वो नंबर हटा दिया है हाँ बस कर दे सेंड बस ये nvidia के स्टैक में ना हक दे भाई इसको अपन ने डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं डाले हैं अपने उसमें वो दो लोग देख के गए भाई स्ट्रीम। नहीं मैं नहीं देख रहा, मेरा कहीं खुली नहीं है। हाँ वो हो सकता है जरूर। Oh, I am gaining subscribers very fast, bro. 48 subscribers. It was only 45 subscribers 2 days ago. Traction is coming. I need to take a shit. Do you wanna come with me in the stream? I'm almost nearing 66 videos now on my channel. Uh, I wish any big streamer would see my stream and be like, "Oh, let's go to this guy's stream and bring his audience." The defensible layer above NVIDIA is. Hmm? What the fuck? Bro, I need to go 1 second. I will be back. I will be. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I'm feeling really light. Okay, did it complete the? Can you create a markdown and push it? Oh, just push it, design, and then. Oh, you were looking at a different thing. It's saying that क्या क्यों था स्किल स्टोर क्यों था उसमें? I see. Mm-hmm. I see. I see. I have not checked the audio for the live stream. And are merged into main. It is NVIDIA and non-NVIDIA tooling. I make that. It is right. The software sells. Eco complete ownership. How to clone it. Data and service. It should be. Let me see the flat. All. That is later, bro. Like we're not. Yeah, yeah. We can obviously change the website later as well. But I think we need to go step by step. We can look at like we can take a look at what Genie is, and we need the AI Ultra plan, by the way, to use it. Plan, right? I know. I know, bro. You're trying to use Genie instead of Cosmos. That's where we'll be using Cosmos. Like I saw the video. I know what Genie is. It's like a physical world rendering model. and it's basically gonna do what World Foundation, like what Cosmos World Foundational Model does. Okay. Okay, I have to merge your previous PR as well before. Website. All right. Instructs website design. Okay, now I think you should look at my screen because we need to find like a good aesthetic for our website first before we start designing anything. One second, let me also open. Mm, yeah, Excalibur. Then let me. This is the website design. This is your. Let me open Claude design over here. Okay. Should I just put the whole thing or what? 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 Policy model, SaaS, website. In yeah, just what? No, it's not, but it's gonna directly use the MD file inside the thing. And then do we have any fonts or logos or assets right now? We don't, right? And let's I see where the fuck did Gits go, bro? What the hell? Okay, instructs notes, policy models. Um, we are planning to design the website, but we want to come up with an aesthetic for the same. Now we'll use your dribble. Discover world's top designers and creative. Yes. Wow, wow, this looks nice. What is this? Bro, we need GitHub, like Gits for those things that like for cool UIs. Yeah, if you have like, array, bro, we can wait. We can direct. Array, wait. We can directly link the. Oh, but we need to be the owner of that repo. Is that it? Okay, it's not gonna take care automatically, but we can try. How does this look? This is like, but this is not for the vibe that we are going for. It looks nice, but I don't know. It's a little. Uh-huh. Like, what prompt do you want me to give it to? Generate, uh, mock. Mm-hmm. UI right now. Uh, we need clean, minimalistic, and clear, not too colorful aesthetic. Let's see. Hmm. What is this? It just generated something, but it is complete, bro. Yeah. Oh, we need to create it. It created the wireframe. No, no, no. We can just, yeah. See, we can create the web page from this now. Describe your create web page or info web page. And see, I was looking at context.ai. Their website is really nice. See, look at this. I like this UI a lot. We should do something like this. Array, I'm talking about UI, bro. I'm not talking about any of the. Yeah, 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 yeah. Something like that. What, bro? That's what I'm on right now. Like, what do you want me to? Oh, robotics. Okay. Oh, something like this. Something like that. Yeah, yeah, it will be. Yeah. Bro, this is exactly what I imagine it to be like. Yeah, you see over here? George is not Indian, bro. Raelian. Yeah. Fuck no, bro. 48, that's gonna be like a lifetime high. Nobody is watching, like fucking nobody. Nobody gives a shit. But there were like two people watching. Okay. This is also nice. Let's see what. Okay. InstruX. This is not bad actually. Bro, look at this. I know. The Indian guy who built the. Bro, but it messed up the pillars, I guess. Hmm. I mean, this is decent. Mm, but what do we do? Like, what do we give Claude for this? Okay. And notes. I am attaching some aesthetics that we like and would want to, bro, but I think I see a problem. Site architecture, design system, blah blah blah, aesthetic, blah blah blah, component catalog, blah blah blah. Where is the thing that we added about the clients, like the potential clients being like pharmacies and warehouse and robots? Oh my god, bro. Oh wait, there is industry. I see the industry over here. 5.5 industries. Then why did the fucking Gemini not add that shit? I'm trying to see if it added any. Like, I'm just trying to add like a page where it like shows, okay, it's gonna be very helpful in, healthcare and like warehousing and like all that stuff. So it's missing that part in the website design. So I'm trying to see if we can add it somewhere over here. But I think let's do this first. I think we can add that later. Okay. Do you see the dribble? Okay. Copy image. Mm, mm. Can Claude take in videos? Oh, I see. Do you see this? Let's see what Claude 4.7 adaptive does for us. We are going to be super valuable. Come on. First funding round will be $120 million at a $1.2 billion evaluation by Vinod Khosla. Yeah, inshallah. Bro, brother, this idea is worth trillions, trillions, trillions of dollars. What? Okay, it's making sense, but क्या बोल रहा है यार ये रीड 3.6 एंड 3 पॉइंट। हाँ। What? पढ़ भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है ये। ओह अच्छा। अरे वो उस चूतिया पे उसने, अरे फक, उसमें वो चूतियापा है ना, वो ये मैं हटाने, वही हटाने का सोच रहा था वेंचर, तो उसने ये जबरदस्ती के वो डिजाइन सिस्टम टाइपोग्राफी वगैरह सब डाल दिया उसमें। एक काम करता हूँ, मैं हटा देता हूँ वो, और इग्नोर द डिजाइन सिस्टम। और भी देख लेते हैं भाई, ड्रिबल। और क्या है, और ये इसका जेमिनाई का क्या करना है। हाँ। और कौन सी सही लग रही है फिर तेरे को। भाई ये ऐसी कुछ चाहिए मेरे को, देख। ये देख ऐसे अपने पिलर्स ऐसे दिखे हैं अगर, वो जो जा रहे हैं कि हाँ ये पिलर 1 पे है अभी हम, फिर ये आएगा 2 3 4। अच्छा भड़वे कहाँ से ले आएगा भाई। अबे भड़वे वो तो 1 सेकंड में हो जाएगी क्लाउड डिजाइन से। 3D रेंडरिंग दिखाऊं तेरे को एक चीज क्या करी है मैंने। 3D रेंडरिंग। अबे रुक, देखो दिखाता हूँ उसने क्या किया है 3D रेंडर मेरी बिल्डिंग का। बट मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि नहीं, चल दिखा देता हूँ। स्ट्रीम पे ही दिख जाएगी। ये देख, दिख रहा है। ये देख, शुरुआत से दिखाता हूँ। ये बिल्डिंग का वो उसने बनाया वीडियो, क्लाउड डिजाइन ने। वर्ल्ड क्लास मैनेज्ड वर्कस्पेस, प्रीमियर टेक एड्रेस, seamless urban highway connectivity. One spaces are available. Second floor, third floor, 6,000 square feet. Shared rooftop amenities. Inside every floor. ये देखो। हाँ हाँ, मैं, एक सेकंड। ये देख, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, रूफ टॉप। अभी नहीं भेजा। 6,000 रुपये का क्या करूंगा मैं तो, $70 का, वो भी इंडिया से मंगाऊं, $70। टर्न की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। भाई वैसे सही में भी काफी ज्यादा लोगों ने पहले ही वो कर लिया है हमको, क्या बोलते हैं, उधर लेने के लिए। योर नेक्स्ट मूव स्टार्ट्स हियर। अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है ये, वो इसमें सब डालना है मेरे, कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन वगैरह। बट इसमें ही ऐसे हो जाता है क्लाउड डिजाइन में ही। सबके वैंचो सब वैंचो, मैं तो भाई इंडिया में जितने ये फालतू के अट्टे पट्टे हैं ना, सबकी जॉब लूंगा मैं और सबकी गांड फाड़ूंगा। 2 कौड़ी के साले आ जाते हैं। उनकी माँ की छूत, सबको स्कैम करते हैं भाई, बुड्ढे लोगों को। Let it be, we are on stream, so fuck that. Hate shit. Let it be. Okay, we are in this place. Okay. क्या बोलूं उसको डिजाइन सिस्टम में फिर अभी, एस्थेटिक। पहले रुक जा, मैं अपना डॉक्यूमेंट दे देता हूँ उसको, और उसको बोलता हूँ कि कुछ रोबोटिक्स से 3D। let me remove the design system first. Tone. Okay, wait, we can give reference sites over here. Hmm. Okay, I think I've edited it. What should be our mission? Like over here in the design system. Company name is InstruX. Blurb. Uh, minimalistic robotic aesthetic. Robotics dashboard kinda web UI. इमेजेस नहीं डाल सकते यार इसमें मेंशन वेयर ड्रैग अरे भोसड़ी के ब्राउज ऑफ वो है भाई कहाँ दिख रहा है देखो इमेज ड्रॉप करने का नहीं भोसड़ी के अच्छा ओके लेट्स सी व्हाट व्हाट इज ही सेइंग अच्छा सेम ओल्ड न्यूज़ ही इज स्लोअर दिस इज ओल्ड न्यूज़ It's 12:35. Oh my god. Okay, look at this. Cloud design. A lot of bro, front end people are fucked. But why the fuck do I need front end developer now? Why? Yeah, we are. That we are. आज भी याद है मेरे को। बट भाई तुमको आनी तो पड़ेगी ना। सरकार। Claude code, Claude code, Claude code. ओके, और इसको बताना क्या है अब, इसके बाद बोलना क्या है? Step by step, we are moving resiliently, as Jeff Bezos says. Or one day. Creating top bar dashboard. Okay, bro, it has completed. But where can I see this now? Verify. But where can we see it? We cannot see it. Review draft design system. Looks good. देखते जा भाई, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ ये। अरे देखना चूतिए, ये वो ये कर रहा है, दिखा रहा है। अभी ये डिजाइन सिस्टम है, ये अभी कुछ बना नहीं है, वेबसाइट नहीं बनी है अभी। कहाँ? क्यों, ये क्यों? अच्छा, क्या बोलूं? अबे ये इमेज डाल सकते हैं अपन इसमें। क्या ढूंढूं? ग्राफ, स्लीक ग्राफ। अबे बट वो एक सेकंड रुक जा। वो उसके एस्थेटिक के हिसाब से है भाई, जो उसने बाकी का एस्थेटिक वो करा है ना। रहने देते हैं, ठीक है। देख लो भाई, बना दिए उसने। पिलर्स, कवरेज गैप एनालिसिस। अच्छा ये लिखा आ रहा है नॉट स्कैफोल्डेड येट। हम्म। क्या बोलूं भाई इसको अब। मर गया क्या? ये है सही, ये ऐसे सही लग रहा है बट उसमें लाइक अभी इसने वेबसाइट नहीं बनाई है ना। अब जैसे जैसे मैं इधर स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ, जैसे मैं फिलर 5 पर आ गया हूँ बट ये दिखाई यही बन रहा है। क्रॉस कटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, या ये दिखा रहा है अभी। चल अभी तो लोग स्क्रॉल करते हैं इसको। लुक्स गुड। ओके। पब्लिश। ओके। ओके, अब अपन इंस्ट्रक्ट डिजाइन सिस्टम यूज करते हुए अपना प्रोटोटाइप बना सकते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं, वेबसाइट का जो अपने को एक कोड की फाइल देगा, बेसिकली जो अपन क्लाउड कोड में डायरेक्ट इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और वहां से फिर वेबसाइट बन जाएगी अपने आप। तो करना है अभी ये। क्यों भाई, गिव अप क्यों कर रहा है इतनी जल्दी? अरे तो रिफाइनमेंट तो, अरे तो अभी रिफाइनमेंट, अरे रिफाइनमेंट कुछ नहीं करना है उसमें। आज नहीं। हाउ। तो कल, अब कल करना है फिर अब बाकी का। तो ठीक है। और भाई कल फिर एक्सपेरिमेंट भी कर लेंगे। आइट। I think it's time, guys, we end the stream. Peace. 3 hours 51 minutes. Oh, दो। भाई लोग देख के जा रहे हैं बार बार, कोई ना कोई तो। कर दिए, एंड एंड हो गई है 27 व्यूज।